the most requested Replit Agent feature is live. Replit Agent can write JavaScript code like a full stack React based JavaScript code. It can understand shadcn UI and a bunch of other things. So if you combine existing technologies which Replit offers like database, authentication, deployment, and combine this with the V0 kind of features, I think this is a compelling thing. And I wanted to make a very quick video of showing how you can do this. I quickly made something called a Little Coder Labs. So this is just like a simple prompt. Like all I gave is create a beautiful React based landing page with fun animations and synthwave theme for a brand called Little Coder Labs that teach and build AI solutions. Like I love this theme. Usually my code editors I love this theme. Usually, my code editors usually have this theme, and it's very insane to see, like kind of like this animations and the theme, and then there is like a landing page available here. So I'm going to show you how you can build this with Replit Agent. This is not a free solution, unfortunately, but I've been using it for quite a while, and I love using it. First of all, I'll link the agent. You can just search for it. Go there. And then once you go to the agent, all you have to do is go there and then start mentioning what you want to do. So I'm going to say a very simple prompt. So I want to create a simple game that has a matrix theme, and the game is for primary school kids. It should have a splash screen that says learn math, and the game should have basic arithmetics. The game should have levels, scores, and so on. Let's see, I've just given a very simple prompt. Typically what Replit does is it acts like a product manager. It would put together like a roadmap, and then it will ask you what you want to do, and you can select like additional features if you want. So I've just like given this. My only worry is that it should use React for this. So let's see if it can use React. Maybe I should add it. You should make sure to use React and also the latest web designing themes. Okay, just added that. So it gave me build the initial roadmap, add multiplication and division levels, implement an achievement system, a practice mode without scores, include detailed progress tracking. So it's again, because I gave this additional feedback, it's going to give me something like implement personal learning paths, interactive tutorial system. Yeah, that's the only thing. I would just go ahead with that. I don't want like other things. I just want to see how much time it takes. From my initial testing, when you compare it with like the Python based application with the React based application that Replit does, now the React based one takes a lot more time. I'm not sure if because it has to install a lot of dependencies, the code is taking a little bit more time. I also do not have a understanding about what is the agent that they are using, the LLM in this case, in the background. Could be Claude 3.5 Sonnet, the new one, which is like quite fascinating for coding. But as you can see here, it already started creating the TypeScript files, and it started adding it here. So you would see CSS coming in, you would see the TypeScript file in this case, and you already have like a bunch of things. Like there is a DB there is a client folder. Inside DB, what do we have got? Okay, we have got Drizzle ORM Neon HTTP. There is a database link, Drizzle ORM PG core. So that's interesting. Drizzle ORM. So this is ORM for you to settle a ship. I have no clue what it does. Like you can connect to any database. Okay, that's interesting. You can even connect to Superbase. That's interesting as well. So we'll see what to do. But right now, like I want this video to be like a very simple one. But now that they support JavaScript, I'm going to probably try more web applications, because that's one thing that I can't do, because I can't create a full stack application. That's something that I've always felt bad about. And I've always wanted to launch like full stack applications, hobby applications, like paid SaaS and all those things. So let's see how this is going to go with Replit. V0 is something that I use a lot as well. So yeah, I mean, good luck to me, or at least I should give an attempt. So it's still going on. You can go see the progress there. It has installed the libraries. The database URL is pushed. I'm not sure if we needed a database here. I think by default it sets up database for all the JavaScript based applications, like the React based application. I'm not sure. This is purely a speculation here. The good thing with Replit is, again, you get to see the progress in terms of the backend. If you see V0, it shows the progress in terms of front end. Claude artifacts, it would show the progress in terms of front end. So this is like slightly a more developer approach than like a very consumer approach. Does it, I think, yeah, failed to resolve to import framer motion, so it didn't install framer motion. Now it has installed framer motion. And this is another good thing that I found with Replit Agent. The moment it encounters an error, it goes ahead to try to solve the error by itself. So it realized that there is no framer motion, so installed framer motion, and it's restarting the game. I don't know what is REST Express, maybe. Yep, it's restarting the game. So as you can see here, there is a matrix math. Enter the matrix. I can open it in a new tab, to be honest. Matrix math. Enter the matrix. I would have liked it had it been like the dark theme one. Who has matrix in the light theme? I don't know. Anyways, oh, this is pretty good. The game, I mean, the card view with the outline and all those things, it's good. So 7 plus 3 is, let's say, 9. It gave me an error. Try again, and it had a like an error sound. That's pretty interesting. Let me try if I can capture this. That's interesting. I lost 2 lives. I have only 1, but I have to nail this. 9 plus 11, 9 plus 9, 18. 2, 15, 2, 13, 12. I think I can pretty much design a website which teaches me chess like this. My game is over. My score is 2040. It's pretty interesting that we could design this game just like this. And the good thing here is that you can go ask for improvements. Like, for example, as it works, absolutely fine. Can we add like more? Can we add a dark theme to this? Yeah, first thing, I want a dark theme. So you can just go there and then ask whatever you want. Another good thing with Replit Agent is you always have like a checkpoint, like a Git kind of a thing. Not, I don't think this is truly like a Git version control, but you have a checkpoint. Like at some point, if you feel that, the AI is going in the loops, it's making a lot of mistakes, then you can just go click a particular checkpoint and roll back to that particular checkpoint. That is like another great feature. So I said, can you add a dark theme to it? So it understood that I want dark theme on top of the matrix theme. I don't want it like a replacement, more like a supplement. So it says, okay, I'll enhance the dark theme to make it more dramatic while maintaining the matrix style. So you can see it's making some changes. I think it made some changes to the CSS, I guess. The foreground has been changed. Card, okay. Let's see. It's made some changes. We get to see. Okay, I think it made the changes inside. I don't think it made the changes outside. I mean, that's my understanding at least. You have the app. I'm going to open it in the new tab. Yeah, it didn't make the change in the splash screen 34. Game over. That is Replit Agent, which can now write JavaScript code, full stack React based applications. Given that we can connect it to database, we can do a lot of things. I'm looking forward to try this for more use cases. But meanwhile, if you have got anything that you would love for me to build, let me know in the comment section, like point of sale, like calculator application. I don't want to just play with toy applications, like toy examples. Toy example is fun, but I want to empower myself and like inspire you all to create SaaS applications. So let me know what you want me to build. See you in another video. Happy prompting.